Ayan na guys, punta tayo sa ating Google at i-search natin yung Google AdSense login. Wait lang po natin ng konti at naglo-loading siya. Ayan na guys, sa homepage ko po sa aking Google AdSense, ayan po siya. May makikita po kayo dyan na tatlong dots sa taas. Pindutin nyo po yon para sa desktop. I-desktop po natin bago tayo mag-start. Ayan. At nandun sa taas guys is may nakalagay na Manage Tax Info. Ayan. Click lang po natin yon. Ayan guys, ang lalabas. Na-approve na po ako dyan guys, pero mag-a-apply po ako ulit. Magre-resend ako ulit ng aking tax manage. Kasi 30% ang nakalagay dyan lahat sa akin. Nagkamali po ako. Kaya ko sinasabi to guys sa inyo kasi para ma-aware po kayo. Ayan. Submit new form. Start a new form. Ganun. At kailangan natin ilagin yung ating YouTube channel, yung ating Google email address. Ayan. Ilagay ko lang yung aking password. After nyo malagay na yung password, naglo-loading. Ayan na po ang lalabas sa kanya. United States Tax Info. Ayan. May nakalagay yan sa number 1 guys is what type of account is Janet Large Oida. Siyempre, individual tayo. And the next one is, are you a citizen or resident of United States? Siyempre, hindi tayo taga doon. Taga Philippines tayo. Be proud guys. Ayan. No, siyempre. And then, next agad. Pindutin ko dyan is W8 Ben because this form is most commonly used by non-US. Non-US tayo guys eh. Hindi tayo taga doon. Taga ano tayo? Filipino. Ayan. Ayan guys, basahin nyo po. After nyo mabasa guys, start na po tayo ng W8 Ben form. Click nyo lang po yung start ng W8 Ben form. After nyo siya maklik, loading ulit. And then, lalabas na yun guys. Tax identity. Be sure this information is exactly the same as on your tax document. Ayan. Ilalagay ko yan ng name of individual. Name ko. Yung full name ko, ilalagay ko dyan. And then, after yan guys, may DVA. Hindi na kailangan yan guys. Ilalagay lang natin doon sa citizenship na natin is Philippines. Hanapin natin si Philippines. Ayan. Medyo nasa baba si Philippines. Ayan na pala siya. Ayan, naklik ko na si Philippines guys. Yung tax payer identification number naman guys is yung TIN number or SSS number natin. Yung ilalagay natin dyan. Ayan. Ilalagay ko ang aking SSS number. Wait lang ng konti guys at hinahanap ko pa siya. Hindi ko makita kung nasaan ko nilagay. At hindi ko rin memorize kung anong number ko ng SSS ko. Pasensya na po. Ayan, nakita ko na din. Ay, tatype ko na dyan yung aking SSS number. Yan, yung SSS number. Nailalagay ko yung aking identity. Identification number na taga Pinas nga ako. Yun. Yan, nalagay ko na guys yung aking SSS number. Proceed na tayo guys sa ating next. And be sure guys na check nyo ulit. After nyo, check nyo siya ulit para sure. And proceed na tayo guys sa next. Medyo naglo-loading po ang aking tawag nito, internet. Kaya hindi po maklik yung next. Wait lang po tayo ng konti lang po. Ayan. Ayan. Nag-next na din siya guys. And nakalagay na po doon is yung permanent resident. I-click lang po natin yan. I-click po natin. Then lalagay natin yung Philippines. And yung ating address. Ako nilagay ko dyan is Buhi Camarines Sur. Kasi taga doon ako. And yung postal code, be sure guys na doon talaga mismo sa iyong lugar. And sa mailing address is the same, the permanent resident address. Ayan. Pindutin ko lang yan siya guys. And then, next na po tayo agad. Next na po tayo agad. And then, lalabas na si tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under the tax treaty? Said yes. Ayan. Ilalagay si yes and then click the back check. And then, ilalagay natin guys yung country sa yung Philippines. Philippines. Ayan. And then, next dyan guys is special rates of conditions. Ayan guys, basahin nyo na lang po. You are may accept or have a taxes will held at the reduced rate. Ayan. Blah, blah, blah. Kaya po bala guys magbasa nyan. And then, the next step is service Adsense. I-check nyo lang po yan siya guys. Check yung box nya. And then, lalabas din yung article and paragraph. Ilalagay natin doon sa holding rate is 0%. Ayan. 0%. And then, sa article and paragraph, Article 8 and Paragraph 1. And check the next box. Basahin nyo lang po. Ayan. Basahin nyo po yung nasa baba nyan. Kayo na pong bahala magbasa. And then, check lang po yung sa box. And next na po tayo. Sa motion picture and TV. Ayan. Check box lang po. And then, yung withholding rate po dyan guys is may nakalagay dyan is 15% or 30%. Pindutin mo guys yung 15%. Reduce rate. Ayan, 15% lang guys. Wag naman 30%. Masyadong malaki. Hindi tayo yung malaki ang YouTube. Maliliit lang po tayo. Then, Article 13 and Paragraph A ang pipiliin nyo. Then, the next one is check again the box. And then, next tayo, proceed to other copyright. Ganun din po, 15% din yung pipili natin. And sa paragraph naman is Article 13, Paragraph 2A. Ayan. And next, check the box under. And magni-next tayo agad. Agad. Ayan, next. Loading na naman tayo. And then, yan na pong lalabas. Yung form. I-confirm lang po natin dyan. I confirm that I have reviewed the generic tax document of the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Ayan, check lang po natin siya. And then, after nyo siyang i-check guys, is next na po tayo agad. Diyan sa document review, kailangan siyang i-confirm. And then, ayun na guys, yung sa baba niyan, kailangan din ng inyong signature. Yung full name nyo po. Ako, Janet Alarcio Oida. Ayan, ilalagay ko dyan. Janet Alarcio Oida. Ayan. Pasensya na guys, may mga bata ako ditong maingay. And then, are you the person listed in signature section? Said yes, I am. Kung ikaw po yan, yes lang po. And then, next po agad. Next po agad. And then, may nakalagay dyan guys sa number 6, activities and service performed in US and affidavit. Activities and service performed. Has the individual entity identified the tax treaty blah 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 in the US? Is answer is no. Ayan. Check lang nyo po yung no. And then guys, pagkapindot nyo ng no, ayan, for has individual entity identify the tax section perform any activities and service for the Google within US? No. Answer is no. And then certified. Just check the box. Ayan, check lang po yung box guys. At sa baba niya guys is status change affidavit. Ayan, basahin niyo po yan maigi guys. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that I have new payments for the previously or received payments? Ayan. Number 1 guys, I am providing tax info in a new existing payment profile that has not received payment. Kasi hindi pa naman ako sumasahod guys. Ayan po ang aking pipindutin, yung number 1. Pero kung sumahod ka na po, yung number 2 po. And after dyan guys, check nyo muna lahat. And then, submit. Yan. Yay! Finally! I finished. Claim. I'm approved guys. Ayan. Okay na guys. Yung sa service, 0% na guys. At sa yan. Okay na siya guys. Kaya I'm happy. Thank you for watching guys. I hope sana makatulong sa inyo itong aking short tutorial kung paano ma-reduce ang inyong mga tax treatment.